Okay guys, I just finished walking and I want to share a little, I guess you would call it like it's a smoothie, but it's healthy and it's a frosted lemonade. And this is a recipe and I'm gonna try to substitute stuff that will make it healthier. You're gonna need some sweetened condensed milk. I'm using the fat-free. You're only going to need 1/4 cup. I'm also going to be using 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to use the zest of 1 lemon and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I've got 2 lemons if I need to use another one. And 3/4 cup of ice. This is 1 cup. Go ahead and add that. Okay. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. One-4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. I'm using the fat-free. You can use whatever kind you want. I actually wanted the sugar-free, and I picked up the fat-free instead. I wasn't thinking. 1/4 cup. Okay. And then I'm going to do the zest of the lemon. I'm just doing that right here. This, I think they serve this at Disney World. They also serve something like this at Chick-fil-A, but I think they use ice cream or custard in it. But like I said, I just finished walking. It's not really hot out today. It's actually like 73 for the high. But I did get hot walking. I'll go ahead and squeeze juice, whatever you want to call it, my lemon right in here. And then I'm going to do the other half as well. Put the lid on it and swirl it around and see what it does. Let's take a taste with the spoon. Looks like that sweetened condensed milk needs to get down in there better. So I might whip it around some more. Let's try it. Oh, that's good. You know what? You know what it tastes like? My lemonade pie. That's what it tastes like. My lemonade pie recipe. Exactly. I am going to have to make this again. Hold on just a minute. I love these little things from Pampered Chef. My sister-in-law makes little cookie recipes and different things and gives them to us for Christmas, and then we can reuse them, which is really cool. They make really cute teacher's gifts and things. Oh my, that is so good. That is so good. Okay. All right. So I put the rest of my sweetened condensed milk in this. I'm going to put it in the fridge. I still have one more lemon. I wish I'd known about that recipe sooner. I'd have used it more this summer. I just found it though, and I'm really going to enjoy that. Let me get a cup to put it in so I can show it to you. I like it. Screw it here on this side. Oh my, that is going to be so refreshing. Love it. Love, love, love. Look at that. Yeah. Perfect. All right, guys. I hope that you decide to make this. It's very refreshing. You can make it healthy or not, but I love it.